everybody, here's everything needed for these simple fried green tomatoes. As you can see, I have the ingredients listed here, but they will be in the description box below, so check it out. I'm going to go ahead and get started in cutting these tomatoes. All right, you want to get your seasonings together and then season them on a flat board or parchment paper, whatever you have. Season the front and the back very well so you won't be biting into unflavored tomatoes. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our cornmeal. I use regular yellow cornmeal, nothing particular, just the regular cornmeal, and I add that to my little base. And then after that, then I go ahead and add my Cajun seasoning, and that's pretty much all I have to season with, because the tomatoes are seasoned and the crust will be seasoned. Mix your cornmeal and your seasonings very well to making sure that everything is incorporated, and then it's ready for you to start placing your tomatoes. Y'all know what to do from here. You just place these tomatoes and then you batter them on both sides, and then it's time to start frying them up. They're ready to be in this hot grease. Make sure your grease is hot, and make sure you don't overcrowd your skillet, and let them fry on both sides. And they should be delicious, and they shouldn't be mushy because we let them drain on paper towels. All right, for the sauce, I have maybe about a half a cup of mayo here. And I'm just going to add some ketchup, and it's just maybe about a tablespoon. Stir that up real good. And a little mustard. Give that a good stir. And I'm just eyeballing it, so the more you add, the spicier it is. And if you don't want a sauce with your fried green tomatoes, just use hot sauce. You can never fail with just plain hot sauce. But this is how it's going to be. And it's like real quick and simple. It's different. Something to, now you want to make it pretty, so just tomatoes with. And then parsley flakes on top. And here we have these beautiful fried green tomatoes and my homemade sauce. If you don't want the sauce, remember, use hot sauce or eat them by themselves.